Welcome back, everybody. The video that you all have been looking out for, that I told you about during the Memorial Day weekend ride, it is finally here. Big upgrades coming for the turbo. Long arm travel kit. Comes with all the A-arms, the control arms, all the radius rods. He just got through painting those just a few minutes ago. Probably won't be able to put it on tonight, but he talked like he's gonna start tearing it down tonight to get it put on. And as far as the 800 goes, I've been breaking tie rods like crazy. So Super ATV, for Memorial Day, they had a sale going on. You get your rack, steering, their heavy duty tie rods and tie rod ends. I got that well worth the money. That's going on the 800. And it's probably a good thing that we are putting it on the 800, because I found me some more tires. Got those for a good deal the other day. Out with the 27s. And putting on some 32, 10, 14 Dirt Commanders. Got a good tread life left on them. Makes the 800 look better too. I've already got the two back ones on. I've been just putting around here, just seeing what it do with those big tires on it. I've not been putting it in four-wheel drive because two different size tires, front and back. But we'll get the front tires put on, that steering rack put on, tie rods, tie rod ends, all that good stuff. Should be able to do some pretty good riding from here on out. Hopefully not have to worry about a tie rod end, but I think I have that figured out. Hopefully. But we're letting these dry. Might pull the turbo in here, start tearing it down, and get started here shortly. Y'all hang around. Josh just took his winch from out of there. He added on to his front bumper that he built. Made him a plate, put his winch out here. Some of this stuff goes on TikTok. If you all are not following us over there, just go to TikTok, look up Revival Off-Road, and we'll be on there. Anybody new to the channel, if you consider hitting that subscribe button, we'd sure appreciate it. Help us grow this thing. We're just sharing what we do. It's just part of life for us. Just work all the time, come home, play on these little toys, break them, and work some more to make money to fix them back, and go break them again and work some more to fix them back. Or that's the way I do. Everybody else, they're fine. That daggone 800. Thought about getting me a different one, but man, they got some good prices on these things. Alright, we have got started on the tear down process. I got some firewood blocking it up. in several spots. I don't think it'll fall. It's safe, I believe. Roger working on taking brake calipers off. Josh is over here doing his thing.
I got a tool in there for this. Simple to pull this. Nice on my lap. Don't know if it'll work on these style power or not. That's convenient for me.
It works.
Oh, if that wasn't the best tools ever worked in my life, I don't know what.
Axle is out. 30 minutes later, and seems like I'm the one always getting hurt on these deals. But we got her out, and that's a good thing. This is the whole culprit of it. That little seat clip. That's what makes them stick. But we're gonna clean her out good again. Y'all seen it in the last video, I think. We cleaned it out good, put anti-seize on it and all that. Still stuck. I'll get me a little pick and get in there behind that groove and clean that out. And we'll be back at it here for long. I just thought I'd interrupt the program, let you all see that we did get one axle out, and it's dark outside, so y'all can tell about what time it took us. We'll be back in a little while. Day number 2 of working on the turbo. We got everything out of the way here. Everything out of the way on this side. We've already pressed out the ball joints from the A-arms. And getting ready to put the new parts on. Everything's going good today. We kind of got a start on it. I mean, everybody out on YouTube land knows how to take the axles out. They know they're a booger. Had to use a slide hammer on both sides. It's tough, but we got that out. We got it up in there. We're getting ready to go back with the new parts. We'll let you all watch that when we get started. We're gonna take a pizza break. Just brought some pizza in. Dad did. So we're gonna eat. We'll be back at it shortly. We got the front ones on. Riding her out quite a bit. That axle popped out like a dream. Now we just repeat this process on that side. Unless Josh wants to just go ahead and put this side back together. We might as well just go ahead and take the other side off. Alright, we'll grab all these tools and take over there and we'll repeat the process. Welcome back, everybody. This is day 3 working on the turbo, making it a S. I got a late start because I worked late, which that's an everyday thing for me anymore. Worked 5, 6 o'clock. So they've already got it all put back together. Only thing we got to do is put the shock straps on. And we got boots coming from the steering rack in a couple of days, maybe today.
I got them today.
Got them today. Already got the tars back on it. We're going to jack it up, set her on the ground, put the straps on it, and be ready. Alright, they have got the boots on the steering rack. Boots are on. We've already adjusted the tie rods, which we didn't even have to adjust. They were already perfect. Setting at what, 80 inches wide? 80 inches wide. Our trailer is 81 inches wide. So we got a 1/2 inch on each side. The only thing left to do is bleed the brakes. And this thing is ready to go back right. There he is.
You bring keys?
We're gonna bleed the brakes on this thing. Josh gonna get out, drive it around a little bit. See how good it drives at 80 inches wide. And me and Sam is gonna sit here and watch him drive. Kill some time. But I hate bleeding brakes. That's something I despise. We got the brakes all bled out. Front end is aligned. Boots are on the steering rack. He gonna try her out. That is one wide razor now.
Okay, we'll bleed them again.
His trailer should be back tomorrow. We might try to put it on there. See how big of a job that is.
You have about 1/2 inch on each side.
Might have to end up buying a trailer. Cause a 1/2 inch on each side.
Right. We got a pretty good brake.
He installed him some of them rigid lights on that thing. He can light the world up. But I guess that will do it for this video. Our next one will probably be putting a steering rack on the 800, changing out them front 2 tires for that bigger size. So I guess that'll be it on this one. Until next time, may the good Lord bless you. Y'all stay safe and healthy. Remember to have fun. We'll catch you all next time.